Hi, I'm back. Well, today's idea is to just jack the car up and level it up. Got a laser here, see? Perfect. Oh. Noisy bastard. Yeah. Green lines and everything, and you can see it's a bit off. So I'm gonna use the door, lower side of the door, and just jack the back up, then measure all the little bits that I can actually put the frame on. Oh yeah, these for build. What a better way of working on cars and just watching some other people working on cars. So yeah. Also, there's some very interesting news about this little fella. I spoke to a couple of friends in Norway and Sweden, and there is some interesting stuff. Yes. So, anyway, let's film some stuff. Alright, let's see. Turn the laser on. Oh, wrong. Okay. Let's see. Right, so it's a bit, oh, I can't see. It is a little bit too high, yeah? But I think what I can see is just gonna measure what we have here. It's how many millimeters? 15. I lied. I need to. Oh, this can go. I need to put this. Well, that's the corner of that. So if I leave this there, it's on the seam on that piece of thing that shows the sill. So now I need to measure this. I need to measure this line there to there, and then we should be alright. 19 mil. So what I need to do is I need to measure, I need to mark that this height, this side is 19 mil higher than that side. So when I do my little frame for this car, I can actually take 19 mil from this side. I can even write it on the car, just purely because I can. And I already made a little diagram there. You're not going to understand what's going on, but yeah. Yes. Make another one though, but that's what's gonna happen, something like that, give or take. Yeah, this is gonna be tricky, so I've got an idea. From now, what I want to do, because I want to mount the car over there onto the top torque rod, and on here you can't see, but I know what I'm saying, and over here on one of these and then maybe extend it to the front somehow to the where the bumper goes. So yeah, here and there. So now what I want to do is I want to measure the distance between how how low is this in relation to that side, and minus 119 mil, because that side is higher by 90 mil, just because of that. So set my laser to low, but it's not going to be low enough, I think. So I'm going to have to make it even lower and do some measurements up to the laser, because laser is horizontal. Yeah, so we shall see. 95 mil, right? Ah. So you write it down somewhere. See, I've got a perfect place to write everything down. Now let's see what the back is. Light! I need light! 6, 25. $255. So what we have here is, oh, it's rubbish. Front is, that's the front gearbox mount, and this is a torque rod, the very top torque rod. So yeah, that's 95 mil, and then 255. No, I'm talking bullshit. And that's minus 19 mil. So 236 minus 95. 141 mil difference. Yay! See, 141 mil. Is it possible? I don't know. Alright, we have torque rod and engine mount. This is 141 mil. Like this. Yeah. So now we know exactly. Oh, now we can lift the car up as high as possible, you know, and we know exactly how much we need to add to one side or the other, so it actually is level. Because remember, this was a 19 mil off, so this is going to go down and it's going to be level. And then if I do it both sides, it's going to be bang on. So now we can actually kind of start making the frame for the car. Yes.